I've decided to fish a golf course pond today. I've got my favorite search bait here, the Go Find 'Em 2.0, and I've got my trusty 9-iron here. I'm hoping to chip one right into a bucket mouth. Okay, I think the wind's coming here over my right shoulder. I'm gonna try and creep up on the pond over here and cast into this corner. All right, let me reanalyze this wind direction here. Wind's blowing straight into my face. They should be stacked on this bank right here. Super shallow right up in through here. We're gonna have no choice but to run this spinnerbait at a real shallow depth, or we're gonna have to switch over to a buzz bait. All right, this is gonna enable us to work shallow waters much easier. There's one. That's a nice one. Stay out of there. That's 2.5, I'll say. And I got him right through the cartilage. He wasn't coming off. Yeah, I'll say that's a 2.5 pound chunk, man. 2.3 is close. I'll take those all day long. I mean, eventually I'm gonna want one bigger than that, but he's a lively little guy. I think this is a huge turtle in the water. Yeah, look at the head on that dude. There's one. Finally pissed him off enough to come after it. Feels like another 2-pounder maybe. And he's probably 1 3/4 pounds. Damn, he got all excited. Look at him. Oh yeah, see some top water activity over there. I was gonna make one more cast in there, but not after seeing that. See if we can get out there. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh, that's a, what in the hell is going on out here? That's a big old, it's a big snapping turtle, but what the hell is he doing? I don't know if he got a hold of a fish out there. Supposed to be getting some storms this evening. nice one here. That's probably another, he's gonna be close to 2.5. These dudes are just chunky, man. I mean, thick, just stout little fish. They must be eating good in here. Now that one there, I wasn't watching again, so I actually felt him tug on the line. Just kind of looking over there, that there's a huge snapping turtle in here, man. He had just surfaced over there. Just kind of seeing what he was doing. This guy's close to 2 pounds, not quite there. I don't know why these guys keep getting turned around.